Hey everyone, welcome back to the AGF channel. My name is Melly and today I'm going to be talking about my favorite time of the year. Yes, the most magical time of year. Since our prints are so versatile and can be often grouped together to create a certain mood or theme for sewing projects, we decided to start creating groups called collectives. For this first group, we were inspired by winter and cozy feels, so we curated whimsy prints from different collections and designers. In this fabric haul video, we're going to be going through all of the cheerful, happy prints in merry and bright fabrics. To learn more about the inspiration for this collection, make sure to click the eye in the right-hand corner of this video. But first, let me tell you about the free quilt pattern offered in this collection called Noel. This 76 by 96 inch Christmas tree quilt is a must-make for this holiday season. To find out who won the Bloomsbury Canvas giveaway, make sure to stick around to the end of the video. And if you're a fan of pretty fabrics and love to watch fun sewing and quilting tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the AGF channel and click the bell to get notified when new videos are released. So let's turn up the holiday music and dive into the prints offered in merry and bright fabrics. So here are the 10 quilting cottons offered in merry and bright fabrics. They all give a nice winter, cozy, whimsical feel. You can see that we have some prints from Amy Sinibaldi, Pat Bravo, Bonnie Christine, Caterina Rochella, and Maureen Cracknell. So let's start out with a print from Bonnie Christine. It's this beautiful watercolored print with these rows of trees. And I love how it goes from dark to light, and it gives this beautiful ombre effect. And I love the nice icy cold refreshing feel of this print. And then let's take a look at Pat Bravo's print, this beautiful pine tree print. And I love that it looks like a field of pine trees and it's covered in snow with this nice ivory background. Very festive, very jolly. Here is a print by Caterina Rochella. It's this beautiful newspaper print. And I love that on top of this beautiful newspaper print, she has these beautiful elements, these beautiful doilies, these beautiful butterflies, and of course this majestic looking deer. Perfect for fussy cutting. Then to brighten things up a bit, we have this beautiful red star print by Maureen Cracknell from her Love Story collection. This reminds me of the star that you might put on top of your Christmas tree. The next print is also by Maureen Cracknell, and it's this cute pixie dust sparkle print. And I just love the nice, icy, refreshing background with these cute little twinkling stars, very festive for the holidays. And then we have another print by Maureen Cracknell, and it has this great metallic, gold metallic in it, and it's this beautiful shooting star, like a starburst design. Now our remaining 4 prints are by Amy Sinibaldi, and they come from her collection called Little Town. And here is a nice striped print, which is basically these ribbons, and they're tied down, just hanging with these cute little ties. And it's just a very festive, fun print and a beautiful, interesting take on stripes. And then here is this lovely holly print, this winterberry print with the gorgeous forest green background and these great little pops of reds and peaches. And then we have this great pine tree print, again with the little berries. And then the last print offered in Merry and Bright Fabrics is this beautiful festive floral print. I love this cherry red, this very playful floral pattern. And what I love about Art Gallery Fabrics' selvages is it's just super cute, and it's something that you don't want to throw away because it has cute little elements from the collection. So here are some snowflakes, and each one of these snowflakes represents a color that is located in this print. And then it also has the collection name, so Little Town, and it has the designer who designed it, which is Amy Sinibaldi, and it's from our Angles division. So for every new collection that's offered in Art Gallery Fabrics, we create a fabric lookbook. And basically what that is just a way that we can show you all the pretty prints that are offered in each collection, and we sew up great sewing projects that are either free quilt patterns that we design, or we use other patterns in the industry from other people, and all the stuff we usually make in the lookbooks have patterns, so then you guys can go ahead and make them as well. So lookbooks are great tools for you to get inspired, to see pretty fabrics, and to possibly find your next sewing project. So I wanted to show some of the projects that are offered in the Merry & Bright fabric lookbook, and they're these cute stockings. And look, one has an M on it, and so you can personalize it to whoever you're making the stocking for. And we quilted it with these beautiful gold metallic thread and silver metallic thread to make it more festive. Here's another one. So this would be a fun project to make for everyone in your family. And then, of course, Merry & Bright is perfect to make your ornaments for your Christmas tree. So we try to cater to all different types of sewists, and we create projects based off of home decor, apparel, accessories, you name it. So here is a great free quilt pattern that is offered in our lookbook. It's this beautiful snowflake wall hanging. So I'll make sure to leave a link to the lookbook in the description box below, like always. So you'll also find some great pillow tutorials, and here is this great Christmas tree pillow. And then check out this great star pillow using the same technique. So if you're interested in checking those tutorials out, make sure to check out the fabric lookbook. So now let's talk about some pure solids that is going to coordinate perfect with Merry & Bright. So here is the bundle. It's a very nice, relaxing, calming, muted bundle, very soft and magical. And this first color is called Quartz Pink, and it's like a medium shade of pink. And then we have a crystal pink, which is a lighter shade of pink. Then we have our sweet macadamia, which is a nice ivory pinkish peaches color. And then we have our cinnamon, which is very rich and very holiday, creamy feel. And so you can see how beautiful all of these pinkish colors are. And then we're going to move into the gray palette, and we have this great Mystic Gray, which is a nice light shade of gray, almost kind of silverishy gray. And then we have the Smooth Pebble, which is this medium shade of gray. And then we have our Moonstone, which is this nice, rich, darker shade of gray. So you can see the nice gradient that we have here with the grays. And then we have our Spruce, which is a perfect color for this time of year. It looks like the color of a pine tree or a Christmas tree, and it's just this beautiful shade of greenish blue. And then our last color is this Mauvelous, and it's this beautiful shade of lavender. So who's following along to the AGF Quilt Block Collection videos? I have so much fun making them, and this block with Merry & Bright that's coming out soon, I'm so excited for you guys to check it out. It is called the Christmas Star Block, and this is the biggest block that I've made for the AGF Quilt Block Collection videos so far, and it is a 16-inch finished block, and I love these jumbo blocks. They're so much fun to put together, and I'm either going to make a holiday pillow out of this and or make a few more to make an easy to put together quilt top. So what did you think? Ready to start sewing for the holiday season? I know it's a tad bit early, but I know I always wait to the last minute to create my handmade gifts. So starting a little bit early might just be in the cards for me this year. So now it's time to announce the winner of the Bloomsbury Canvas giveaway. And the winner is Diane Beavers. And her comment was she would love to make the poolside tote by Anagram of Noodlehead Patterns with AGF Bloomsbury Canvas. So since the winter season is my favorite time of year, this giveaway will feature a fat quarter bundle of all 10 prints offered in Merry & Bright fabrics. To enter this giveaway, make sure to share this video with all your sewing friends, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to the AGF channel. Also, make sure to comment below with your favorite holiday tradition. If you sew with Merry & Bright fabrics, make sure to use the hashtag AGF Merry & Bright. if you share your makes on social media so we can see all your gorgeous makes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, happy sewing. For all you apparel sewers out, So for all of you apparel sewers out, what?